Welcome, in front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Then press and hold the middle button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the customize option, and once you find it, tap on it of course, and here select watch face. Now you should see the watch face menu, and you can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can simply tap on it to select it and apply it on your watch. You can also change the color accent or accent color by tapping on it, and for example select the one you like, and then if you go back to watch face, the changes should be applied. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.